Most people think depression is easy to recognize. Crying, sadness, staying in bed all day. But many people with depression look completely fine. They go to work, they laugh with friends, yet inside something feels wrong. And one hidden sign on this list actually looks like anger, which surprises a lot of people. Here are 10 hidden signs of depression most people miss and what can help. Number 1, you're always tired. No matter how much you sleep, you still feel exhausted. Even simple tasks feel draining. Depression can affect the brain's energy systems, making you feel constantly fatigued. Here's something that helps. Sunlight, short walks, and keeping a consistent sleep schedule can slowly restore energy. Number 2, things you once loved feel meaningless. Music doesn't feel the same. Your hobbies feel boring. Even activities you used to enjoy suddenly feel pointless. Depression lowers dopamine, the brain chemical responsible for motivation and pleasure. One helpful step is, start small. Try doing enjoyable activities for just a few minutes. But the next sign is something many people mistake for laziness. Number 3, you feel empty instead of sad. Many people expect depression to feel like intense sadness, but often it feels like emotional numbness. You're not necessarily sad, you just feel nothing. Here's something that helps. Talking openly with someone you trust can help reconnect those emotions. Number 4, small tasks feel overwhelming. Replying to messages, doing chores, making simple decisions. Things that used to feel easy suddenly feel exhausting. Depression drains mental energy. What you can try: break tasks into very small steps. Even small progress helps rebuild motivation. Number 5, you start isolating yourself. You cancel plans, ignore messages, avoid conversations. Not because you dislike people, but because social interaction feels draining. Isolation is one of the most common hidden signs of depression. One thing that can help is try maintaining small connections, even sending a short message. And the next sign is one many people completely overlook: sleep changes. Number 6, your sleep patterns change. Some people with depression sleep far more than usual. Others struggle to fall asleep or wake up constantly during the night. Depression disrupts the brain's natural sleep regulation. Here's something that may help. A regular sleep schedule and reducing screen time before bed can improve sleep quality. Number 7, you become easily irritated. This surprises many people. Depression doesn't always appear as sadness. Sometimes it shows up as frustration or anger. Small problems suddenly feel overwhelming. A helpful step is, stress relief activities like walking, journaling, or deep breathing can help regulate emotions. Number 8, you feel like a burden. Some people with depression begin to believe they are a burden to others. They may feel like their presence only causes problems. But this thought is actually a symptom of depression, not reality. One simple strategy is, talking openly about these feelings with someone you trust can help challenge these thoughts. Number 9, you struggle to concentrate. Your mind feels foggy. You forget things easily. Focusing on work or conversations becomes difficult. Depression can affect parts of the brain responsible for attention and memory. This can improve with proper sleep, hydration, and reducing mental overload can help improve focus. And the final sign is something many people experience without realizing it's depression. Number 10, you look fine but feel empty inside. Some people hide depression extremely well. They smile, they work, they appear completely normal. But when they're alone, they feel disconnected and empty. This is sometimes called high-functioning depression. One way to manage this is, seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals can make a big difference. If you recognize some of these signs in yourself, remember this: depression is not weakness. It's a signal that your mind needs care and support. And with the right help, things can get better. You are not alone. If you want to learn more about mental health, brain health, and simple ways to feel better, make sure to subscribe to the channel.